Hi guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we are going to do another product review. If you watched my last video on the intensive mask treatment by True, I did a review on that mask and I loved it. These are actually my moisturized results. My hair is soft, my hair is strong, my hair is just like definition is coming through. So I was very proud with that product. So I wanted to go back and go see if True had another product I could use. So I went to Sally's actually the next day while my deep conditioner was still in, and I went to go get their hydrating hair butter. We're gonna see if this feel like butter today. So if y'all are interested, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to do another twist out. Guys, y'all know I love twist outs. I'm actually doing a twist out because me and my husband are going on vacation towards the end of the week. And I know a twist out never fails me. I've had failed braid outs. I've had kind of okay braid outs and okay wash and goes. But I know a twist out won't fail me. So I'm going to do a twist out today. So your girl is going to try this new... Well, it's not a new True product. It's a new product to me. But we're going to see if it's true to my twist out. It's the True It's the True Hydrating Hair Butter. And we're going to try this today. Just like the mask, it has shea, honey, coconut, and mango butter. So we're going to see if this butter does good on my hair. I don't think I've actually used a butter before. I can't remember if I've used a butter before. Probably did, I just can't remember. But we're gonna see how this works on my hair today. My hair is for sure moisturized, guys. It's moisturized because that mask I use. But I am gonna go ahead and go in with a leave-in. And the leave-in I'm gonna use is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. If y'all haven't seen my review on this product and the gel that goes with it, make sure y'all click the eye above and it'll lead you to this review. But since like I have so much of it, I actually like did my hair, I did my niece's hair, and I did my sister's hair with this product, and all of our hairs came out like really cute, really good. I want to use this again. I mean, I have a whole container, might as well. And my gel is pretty much almost gone. So out of three people using this product, I'm barely light to the label. So we're gonna keep using it. I'm first going with the leave-in. I'm gonna put like a light coat on it and section my hair. So how have y'all been doing? It's actually Labor Day weekend when I'm recording this video, and next weekend me and my husband are going on his birthday trip. So I have a lot of recording and catching up to do because y'all know I haven't really been... I probably, by the time y'all see this video, I'll be pretty consistent on my uploads. But I haven't really been that consistent in the last like month from the start. From today, I haven't really been that consistent. But I've been really busy, so that's basically what happened. And yeah, now I'm gonna try to be more balance my life. You know, sometimes you get to the point in your life, I've learned this ever since I've literally been married. You get to the point in your life where something new happens and you have to learn how to balance your life. Like literally learn how to balance your life. And with me wanting to do like YouTube videos and just, you know, learning how to be a wife and what that consists of, you know, it's just something, it's a trial, it's something that you have to learn. It's all about learning to do something that makes you not only fit you being by yourself, your self-help time, your personal time, being a wife, and then you got work too. So like literally I have a full-time job too. So something that you just gotta learn to balance. So that's what I've been doing. Me and my husband have been married for 7 months now, so I've learned a lot in 7 months. So if y'all are like interested in a video like that, maybe I can do that video for y'all. Maybe even when we make like 1 year, y'all can do that. I can do that video for y'all, so y'all can just like learn what I learned from being married for a year. I have known him for 10 years, but you know, a girl learns something new when she gets married. So let's go ahead and kind of slightly finger detangle, because basically my hair is detangled basically. So my hair is a little damp, and the butter actually says apply to damp or dry hair. Place a small amount into palms of your hands. Rub hands together. Gently work into hair and scalp, showing extra love to the ends. Style as desired. True tip. Layer with true leave-in and true styling cream for maximum moisture retention and curl definition. So since my hair is already damp, I know I usually like dampen my hair. I'm actually, before I do that, I'm gonna put a little bit more leave-in to just make sure, you know, this section is moisturized. And actually, I'm gonna put an oil in it too. Let me go get some oil right now. Oil, and I actually got some avocado oil. I used to use this a whole bunch when I started my YouTube channel, but I kind of stopped using it, but I want to use it again. I have been using the African Pride. I'll pour it out. I've been using the African Pride Black Castor, African Pride Black Castor Oil Sealing Oil, not because of my itchy scalp. And yes, I am still having itchy scalp, so literally, if y'all have suggestions, please tell me, because I'm struggling. So I'm going to take a little bit of that oil in my hand. I'm going to use my dimming brush to detangle. Open my butter and get, oh, whoa, this is a very like jiggle. It smells just like the mask, but it's very like jiggly, very liquidy butter. It kind of reminds me of the African Pride butter that I use in my African Pride Protective Style prep video. And it reminds me of that, of how thin it is, but it's very creamy at the same time. Like, it feels like a butter. Definitely feels like a butter. Smells like mangoes. Put a little more. And it is slightly giving me a little bit more definition. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this side. Detangle a little bit. Hi guys. So as y'all see, I'm gonna go ahead and twist up this twist in my hair, and I'm sorry for the bad like video quality. I was using another camera, but in the next clip you'll be able to see another twist and how juicy and moisturized my twist is. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click that red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. So I'm about halfway done with my hair and I'm so excited. And yeah, these twists are looking so juicy, so moisturized, and I'm so excited about how this twist out is going to turn out. So this is how my hair is looking after I twisted it. I think it looks pretty good. My back, some of them have like, the product have disappeared, so I know the product overall will disappear eventually. Y'all see I have some in the front, but it's gonna disappear. So I am going to leave this in my hair for a couple of days. As y'all know, I'm low porosity, so it takes a couple of days for my hair to dry. But so far, I think the product's pretty good. It's a great detangler, and my twists are pretty juicy, so I'm happy about that. My hair does feel like moisturized, and it just feels really good. So I am going to come back to you in a couple of days and let you know my results. Hi guys, this is a couple days later. I've already untwisted my twist and picked my hair out and fluffed it out, and these are the results. My hair is defined, my hair is moisturized, so shiny guys, so shiny. I do have a little frizz, but frizz is okay with me. So if you made it this far in the video and you love my results, make sure you smash that like button and comment below what protective style or any kind of natural hairstyle that you want me to do next. Guys, natural hair queens, remember that you look blessed. Bye guys.